If the Rogue Prince of Persia keeps throwing you a Sargon save file error like SARGON-00102, SARGON-00103, or even SARGON-00380 and blocking your progress, you're not alone. Thousands of players are stuck with this issue, and the fix isn't obvious. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why this happens and give you step-by-step solutions that actually work, so you can get back to your runs without losing progress. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share one hidden Windows setting that most guides miss, but it's the key to making sure these errors never come back. So what's really happening here? These Sargon codes pop up when the game can't create or update your save files. The most common triggers are OneDrive sync interference. Windows automatically redirects your documents or app data folders to OneDrive, blocking the game from saving locally. Windows security controlled folder access. Windows Defender sees the game as untrusted and stops it from writing to your drive. Corrupted config files. Sometimes the save path itself is broken due to partial writes or failed cloud syncs. The result? Your game either won't load or you lose your progress entirely. 1. Disable OneDrive sync. First, we tackle the biggest culprit, OneDrive. Right-click on the OneDrive icon in your taskbar. Go to Settings, Sync, and Backup. Turn off Backup Documents and Backup App Data. Restart your PC and launch the game again. This forces the game to save directly to your system instead of being blocked by the cloud. 2. Allow the game in Windows Security. If the error is still there, Windows Defender is probably blocking it. Open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, manage ransomware protection. Under Controlled Folder Access, click Allow an app through Controlled Folder Access. Add the Rogue Prince of Persia executable file from your Steam or Game Pass installation folder. Now the game has full permission to write saves. 3. Verify and reset game files. Next, we'll make sure no corrupted files are causing the error. On Steam, right-click the game properties installed files, verify integrity. On Xbox Game Pass/Microsoft Store, open the Xbox App Manage Game Verify/Repair. If the save directory itself is broken, delete the folder at C:\users\left bracket your name /appdata/locallo/evil empire / the Rogue Prince of Persia. Then relaunch the game to create a fresh save structure. 4. Run the game as administrator. A simple but often missed fix, running the game with admin rights. Right-click on the game shortcut. Choose Run as Administrator. Confirm, and the game gets unrestricted file access. This helps especially if you're on a system with multiple user accounts. 5. Controlled access startup timing. Here's the fix most players don't know. Even if you allow the app in Windows Security, sometimes the block only clears if Windows Security is opened before launching the game. So try this. Restart your PC, open Windows Security manually, then launch the game. Several players confirmed this instantly removed their Sargon errors for good. 6. Let's unlock a hidden Windows power plan that Microsoft doesn't even show you by default. Open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click, and select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste this command. PowerF duplicate scheme E9420258DA00003147449B61. Hit Enter. This unlocks the ultimate performance power plan. 7. Intelligent Standby List Cleaner (ISLC). One of the biggest hidden issues in Windows is something called standby memory bloat. Windows keeps cached data from old apps, but it doesn't free it quickly enough for games. That's where Intelligent Standby List Cleaner comes in. Download ISLC from the official Wagneroft website only. Run it as administrator. Under list size is greater than, set 1024 megabytes if you have 8 gigabytes RAM, or 4096 megabytes if you've got 16 gigabytes or more. Set free memory is lower than to 1024 megabytes. Enable auto start and background monitoring. Click Start, minimize it, and you're done. From now on, ISLC will quietly clean RAM when needed, no more random stutters in open world or competitive games. 8. Optimize your page file. Think of the Windows page file as your emergency RAM. But the default settings aren't great for gaming. Here's the fix. Open System Properties Advanced Performance Virtual Memory. Turn off Automatically Manage Paging File. Pick your fastest SSD. Set initial size equal to your RAM size. Example, 16,384 megabytes for 16 gigabytes. Set maximum size to 1.5x your RAM. Example, 24,576 megabytes for 16 gigabytes. This prevents Windows from constantly resizing the file, which means fewer stutters and a stable safety net against RAM leaks. 9. Flush VRAM with registry tweaks. RAM is handled. Now let's deal with VRAM. Some games slowly eat up your GPU's memory until it crashes. We can reduce that risk with a registry edit. Open regedit. Go to hky_local_machine /system/current control set /control/graphics drivers. Add 3 new DWORD values. TDR delay equals 10. TDR DDI delay equals 20. TDR level equals 0. This prevents Windows from panicking and instantly killing your GPU when VRAM fills. Instead, it gives your driver recovery time. Pro tip, press Win plus Control plus Shift plus V anytime your game stutters heavily. This restarts your GPU driver on the spot and flushes VRAM instantly. And that's it. Those are the real working fixes for the Rogue Prince of Persia save file errors. If you are stuck with SARGON-00102 or SARGON-00103, you should now be able to save and load without a problem. If this guide helped, drop a like so more players can find it, and subscribe for more deep troubleshooting guides that actually solve the problems most gamers face. And tell me in the comments, did OneDrive or Windows security cause your error? I'd love to hear what worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.